Hello viewers, today we come with some of the common acronyms and their full meanings. Google means Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Art. Yahoo means yet another hierarchical officious oracle. Internet means international network or interconnected network. Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. WLAN means wireless local area network. Means subscriber identity model. SMS means short message service. GSM means global system for mobile communication. MMS means multimedia messaging service. USSD means unstructured supplementary service data.
Please do not forget to subscribe onto our channel, Najmi Hausa TV, for more videos. Thanks for watching.